Let's dive in. For centuries, investing in real, tangible things, like gold, oil, or wheat, meant dealing with physical storage, big money, and lots of hassle. These are commodities, the raw materials that power our world. But until now, trading them was reserved for big corporations and hedge funds. Enter blockchain. Imagine owning a digital certificate, a token, that proves you own a slice of a real gold bar or a barrel of oil, all stored securely somewhere in the world. No vaults, no warehouses, just a digital wallet. Tokenized commodities are making investing in physical assets fast, accessible, and affordable for anyone online. Instead of buying a whole gold bar for $70,000, you could own $10 worth, fractional ownership, thanks to tokenization. This technology is breaking down barriers, letting regular people access markets once reserved for the elite. Blockchain's transparency and security mean every transaction is recorded and can't be tampered with. It's not just about convenience, it's about trust and safety. We're moving from slow, exclusive markets to fast, open ones. The opportunity is massive and it's happening right now. Don't blink, you might miss the revolution. So, what's a tokenized commodity? It's a digital token on a blockchain that represents real ownership of a physical asset, like gold, oil, or wheat. A company stores the asset in a secure vault, then issues tokens, each representing a fraction of that asset. Own a token, and you own a piece of the real thing. This works for gold, oil, even agricultural harvests. Instead of complex contracts and logistics, you buy and sell tokens on digital exchanges. The token's value tracks the real-world price of the commodity. Middlemen are cut out, making the process efficient and direct. The token is your digital title deed, legally backed by the physical asset. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, these tokens are tied to something tangible. You're not just buying code, you're buying a real-world stake. It's the bridge between digital and physical economies. But is it safe? That's where blockchain shines. Every token transaction is recorded on a decentralized ledger, copied across thousands of computers worldwide. This makes hacking or tampering nearly impossible. Unlike old systems with single points of failure, blockchain offers transparency and security for every trade. Trades that once took days now settle in seconds, thanks to automatic verification. Smart contracts, self-executing digital agreements, handle the rules and payments instantly. No more piles of paperwork or costly middlemen. The result? Faster, cheaper, and safer trading for everyone. Blockchain is your digital bodyguard. This isn't just theory. Tokenized commodities are live. Take Pax Gold. Each token equals 1 ounce of real gold in a London vault, fully audited and insured. You can buy or sell gold tokens 24/7, with low fees and no need to buy a whole ounce. Oil is being tokenized too, with platforms partnering directly with producers. Investors can own a stake in oil reserves without the complexity of futures markets. In agriculture, farmers are pre-selling harvests as tokens, giving them price stability and buyer supply certainty. Even fine wine and premium coffee are being tokenized for global trade. These projects are making commodities accessible, efficient, and borderless. The future is already here, and it's digital. Real assets, real ownership, real innovation. Why does this matter? For small investors, it's all about access. Fractional ownership means you can invest in gold, oil, or wheat with just a few dollars. Diversify your portfolio beyond stocks, hedge against inflation and volatility. Liquidity is another game changer. Sell your tokens instantly, anytime, anywhere. For big companies, tokenization streamlines supply chains and slashes costs. Smart contracts automate deals, cutting out middlemen and paperwork. Every transaction is recorded, making supply chains transparent and auditable. Companies can prove their materials are ethically sourced, building trust with consumers. It's not just about saving money, it's about brand reputation and accountability. Tokenization benefits everyone, from individual investors to global corporations. The playing field is leveling. Welcome to the new era of investing. Of course, there are challenges. Regulation is still catching up. Governments are figuring out how to classify and oversee these assets. Legal uncertainty slows adoption, especially for big players. Trust in custodians is crucial. Regular audits are needed to prove the assets exist. Security risks remain. Platforms and wallets can be hacked, And lost keys mean lost tokens. User education is vital for safe participation. Different blockchains don't always work together, fragmenting the market. Widespread adoption needs more buyers, sellers, and assets. But as successful projects grow, momentum will build. The future is digital, global, and just getting started.